Alright, they are working on a new sprinkler system. There was an old sprinkler system here. Putting in new ones. Here, let me try to get dirty for you guys here, stepping into the mud. And they're readjusting it to the new design. It's a work in progress, as you see. Everything is a process, but they're getting the job done. Getting the job done there. Hey, the sprinklers are on and they're going and they're working. So we're gonna they're creating cement curving, and there's gonna be grass in the middle. And the sprinklers were busted and they had to be fixed and adjusted to where the grass would all get watered. So as you see, it's pretty much covering the entire area where the grass and the diameter of the grass is going to be. Check that out, you guys.